Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the availability of the finance app Emma. Emma is a personal finance and budgeting app that helps users manage their money by connecting all their bank accounts, credit cards, investments, and more in one place. It offers features like budgeting, subscription tracking, and spending analysis. While the mission of the app is to empower people to live a better financial life, it is not currently available worldwide. Emma is currently live and supports banking providers in a few specific countries: the United Kingdom, the United States, and Canada. This means that if you reside in one of these three countries, you should be able to download the app and connect your local bank accounts to use its full suite of features. If you are not located in the UK, US, or Canada, you will not be able to use the core features of the Emma Finance app that require bank connections. The company has expressed a desire for global expansion, but for now, its primary supported markets remain limited to these three nations. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.